A very good morning to all my dear lovely students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So my dear students, we have already completed one chapter from your textbook, right? Lesson number 9, My Kite. Am I right? So my dear students, in our last chapter we have learned the joy of small things. Yes, how to make oneself happy. Sometimes it happens that you have a lot of things with you but you are not happy. Yes, the things doesn't make you happy. Yes, but what happens when a small, even a slight small thing sometimes make you a lot more happier than the big things that you have with you, right? Like in the poem My Kite, the child was. Yes, the child was very happy with the kite, and also the child narrated how the kite moves. Yes, and when the child is delighted, when the kite flies very high above in the sky. Am I right? Okay. So my dear students, in our today's class, we are going to start a new module. Okay, the module from your English workbook. So, welcome you all to today's class and let's start module 6. Okay, so my dear students, without doing further delay, let's check out what is the content of module 6. So my dear students, in module 6, we are having here 4 sections. Okay, so the first section is I listen, where we are going to do the word dictation. Coming to the next, the second one is vocabulary, where we will learn about days of the week and months of the year. Coming to the third section, here we have grammar portion, okay, where we are going to learn about the articles a and the. Okay, coming to the fourth and the last section, it's I write, where we are going to learn about fill in the blanks about oneself, and the next one is look at a picture and complete the sentences. Okay, so my dear students, in our today's class we are going to cover these 2 sections, where we will be doing the word dictation and also we will be learning about days of the week and months of the year. Got it? Okay, so my dear students, let's start with the word dictation. Yes, so what you have to do, you have to take out your book and the words that I'll be dictating, you have to write down that in your book itself. Yes, my dear students, earlier too I have informed you all that workbook, everything, whatever we will be doing, you can do that in your workbook itself. Okay, space are there, so you can just freely write down there. Got it? Okay, so let's start with the word dictation. Yes, my dear students, please everyone turn to page number 1. So in here we are having 8 words. Okay, I'll be dictating 8 words and that you have to write down. So my dear students, the first word is kite. 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 Coming to the next one is bright. 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 Done. Number 3, delight. 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 Coming to the fourth one, announce. 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 Okay. The sixth one is chitta. 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 Coming to the sixth one, finish. 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 7th, declare. 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 8th word is, the last word is fair. 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 Done? Okay, so my dear students, please check out one more time. The first one is kite. Second is bright. Third is delight. 4 is announce. 5th is chitta. 6th is finish. 7th is declare. And 8th is fair. Got it? Okay. So coming to the next section, vocabulary. Okay. The days of the week and months of the year. So let's begin. But before that, let's check out the main objective of our today's class. My dear students, the objective of today's class is to be able to identify the days of the week and months of the year on a calendar. Okay, so today we will be learning about the days of the week and also months of the year. So my dear students, before beginning, before starting with the textual exercises, let's learn a song. Okay, beautiful song about the days of the week. Let's start our module 6 with a very beautiful song. Okay, so the title of the song is The Days of the Week. Okay, so what we are going to do now, I'll just sing the song in our live class. You have to learn the song and we will do that in group. Got it, everyone? Okay, so my dear students, let's begin. Yes, my dear students, the wordings are like, I look at my calendar and what do I see? 7 days in a row for me. Morning, afternoon and night. 7 days in a week, that's right. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too. Wednesday, Thursday, next it's true. Friday and Saturday come and then Sunday comes around again. These are the 7 days of the week. It's so fun to learn the days of week. The days of week. The days of week. I love the days of week. Got it? Okay. So my dear students, I know that all of you know how many days are there in a week. Right? You have learned that in your previous class. Yes, but sometimes what happens when somebody asks that, okay, today is Sunday. Yes. And tomorrow again our school is going to reopen. Yes, you think for a while, okay, Sunday, why the school is going to reopen again tomorrow? Yes, because my dear students, we all know that Sunday is a rest day. Yes, and from Monday again the days start for your school, for office and all other works. Yes, so Sunday is resembled as the rest day for everyone, right? So my dear students, can you tell which day is today? Yes, today is Tuesday, right? So my dear students, there are how many days? 7 days in a week, right? So what are the days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Am I right? There are 7 days in a week. Yes? Okay. So my dear students, can anyone tell me how many months are there in a year? Yes? If somebody asks you, okay my dear, when's your birthday? What do you say? My birthday is on 11th of November. Yes or no? You say or no? Yes? So where from the November month come? Yes? So my dear students, there are 12 months in a year. And November is the 11th month of the year. Yes? Suppose if a child is having his birthday on January. Okay, suppose it's 20th January. So January is the first month of the year. Yes. So again I'm repeating, there are 12 months in a year. So the first month is January. Second is February. Third is March. Fourth is April, May, June, July, August, September, October, then November, December. Yes, so there are 12 months in a year. Yes, got it everyone? Okay, so coming to now, where are the months and days can be seen? Yes or no? So my dear students, today we are going to learn about it. So the months and days can be seen in a calendar. Calendar. So now, what is a calendar? Let's learn what is a calendar. Okay? So my dear students, a calendar is a series of, you can say, or it is a chart. Okay, let me say a chart. A calendar is a chart where you can get the months of a year and days of a week. Got it? So you might have seen a calendar. Yeah? So a calendar look like this. Got it? So a calendar is a chart where you can get the days and months of the year. And also, my dear students, it gives the seasonal information. Yes? Got it, everyone? Okay. So my dear students, I hope you have understood what is a calendar, and also you have learned how many days are in a week. There are 7 days in a week. And how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Okay, so let's revise one more time. Let's revise with the weeks. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. S-U-N, Sunday, Sunday. So Sunday can be broken into 2 parts. Sun, S-U-N, Sun, D-A-Y, day, Sunday. So when we break a word into 2, it is known as syllable. Okay, so my dear, again Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Right, so again we are breaking Monday into 2 parts, M-O-N and D-A-Y, Monday. Coming to Tuesday, T-U-E-S, Tuesday, D-A-Y, day, Tuesday. Wednesday, so Wednesday can be broken into 3 parts, Wed, W-D, Wed, N-E-S, Nes, D-A-Y, day, Wednesday. But in Wednesday, D is not pronounced. It's not said as Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Okay, so it's broken into 3 parts, W-E-D and N-E-S and D-A-Y, Wednesday. Okay, coming to the Thursday, T-H-U-R-S, Thursday, D-A-Y, day. So in this way you are going to learn the spelling. Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Okay, coming to the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Got it, everyone? Yes? Okay, so my dear students, now please come to exercise 2.1. Look at the days of the week given below. Write which day comes before or after a given day. So in here, the given days are already given, right? But the space which is left out, in there you have to fill the correct days. So one is done for us, like Monday. So what comes after Monday? Tuesday, right? So second one is Friday is given. So you need to find out what comes before Friday. So what it is? Thursday, right? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Coming to the third one, Saturday. What comes after Saturday? Sunday. Sunday is also known as fun day because that is a rest day for everyone, right? So S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Coming to the fourth one, Wednesday. Sorry, I already told the answer, right? Okay, so fourth one is Thursday. What comes before Thursday? Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Number fifth is Tuesday. What comes before Tuesday? It's Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Number sixth is Friday. What comes after Friday? It's Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Got it, everyone? Yes? Okay. So my dear students, please come to exercise 2.2. Complete the table with the correct months. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to fill the correct months, and this I'm not going to help you out. This is your homework and you will be doing it. Okay, so my dear students, you need to fill the correct month in the space provided. Got it? Yes? Okay, so my dear students, there is a very small question, a very simple question for you all. Okay, so I'm just asking you this, the question. Get ready with the question. In our live class, I'll be asking the same question and you have to answer me that. Got it? Okay, so the question is, Pinky visited her grandparents during the month of November, okay, and decided to stay there for a month. So in which month Pinky will return back to her own hometown or to her own house? I repeat the question. Pinky went to her grandparents' home in the month of December, okay, and she decided to stay there for a month, means 1 month. So in which month she will come back to her own house? Got it? So my dear students, you have to be prepared with that. I'll ask the same question in our live class, okay, and then you have to answer me that. So my dear students, that's all for today. So what we have learned about what is a calendar. A calendar is a series or a chart of number of days and months which are shown in there, and also it tells us about the seasonal, it gives us the seasonal information, which season is coming next. Okay, got it everyone? And also in there we have learned that, yes, a week has 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Yes, a year has 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So which month is going on right now? It's the 11th month, that is November. Got it everyone? Yes? Okay. So my dear students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.